Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot deck review. Hello to all the new subscribers out there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. So as the title says, we're doing a Halloween tarot deck review. I'm so excited because this is my favorite time of year. So we'll kind of do a quick run through. I know you guys just want to see what the cards look like. You guys don't really care about any books that come with it. So we'll make it fast and sweet. So this is the Halloween tarot. There's a bit of a glare, sorry. Let's see, there we go. This is created by Kipling West. And so the box is, your basic card, deck box. It's not a hinge. It's not anything fancy or crazy. I believe there is a gift set box that you can get, but I'll link it in the description below if I can find it. So anyway, on the box it says it's 78 card deck, features many spooky characters, and the minor arcana suits are pumpkins, bats, ghosts, and imps. So if I remember correctly, the pumpkins will be the pentacles, the bats being the swords, the ghosts being the cups, and the imps being the wands. All right. This side says, the festive old-time Halloween world of Kipling West conjures up all the fun about Halloween. Let the black cat guide you on a trick-or-treat mission to find out what is lurking around the next corner in your world. This is published by US Game Systems, and I believe it's relatively inexpensive. I think I got it for $12.99 on Amazon, and I think the gift sets were a little bit more expensive, but being as if I don't need a huge gift set box, I just wanted to see what the cheaper version would be. So it does open up from the top, and I did take off all the cling wrap outside and on the cards, but I have not looked at the cards. I just didn't want you guys to see me struggle and waste time. So, there we go. All right, so it does come with a little booklet, and we'll go through it at the end if you guys are interested, but it is pretty thin. Okay. Little card there. And you can pause the video if you want to read this. I don't think there's anything relatively important with that. Oh, cute. All right, back of the card. Oh my goodness. Super, super, super cute. I love it already. Oh my gosh. I'm ready for Halloween. I'm ready. Okay. It looks like we're gonna go through, the major arcana first. And I'm in love. So the cards feel really good in your hand. It's a good size. It's about, average playing card size. Just a smidgen glossy, as you can tell in the filming here. It's just absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't say this is a very scary deck. I would say that it's definitely, got the Halloween vibe, but it's not going to terrify anybody so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this death card is awesome. It's not tragic or terrifying. It's just, a death card, and I love it. And there's the devil. So yeah, not too scary, not too freaky. It makes sense. The tower. Oh, I'm loving this. The werewolf for the moon. Oh my gosh, there's that lobster. Oh my gosh, this is cracking me up. Rice. And the world. All right, so now we're going to get into the minor. So these would be pentacles. I love it. It definitely has imagery from the Rider-Waite, just their own take on it, their own style, and I love it. Yeah, definitely cute. Oh, the Six of Pumpkins. Yeah, it feels really good. I'll kind of just go pretty fast with these. And we have the water, the cups. I love the ghosts. And let's see if their expressions, yeah, their expressions change. Because they're supposed to be the cups. So that's awesome. 7 of Cups. Yeah. I love this. So this would be a very, very good deck for beginners because depending on what's in the booklet, as far as reading just the cards, oh, she's a mermaid, I love it. You can use your intuition to really see what's going on here. So these are swords. Yeah, a lot of the same traditional imagery, just in their own style. Yeah, I love this. So yeah, I mean, 4 of Bats, for example, this is a card, 4 of Swords. So this would be a card indicating rest and taking time out for yourself and really rejuvenate yourself. So you can obviously tell that he's resting. You know, it's not a negative card. This is awesome. 5 of Bats. Yeah, you can definitely use your intuition with these. Beginners would have a relatively easy time trying to figure out what to infer from the cards just by themselves. Yeah. Relatively inexpensive, and if you are as big of a Halloween fan as I am, you will definitely enjoy, okay, so these are the wands, definitely enjoy the novelty of it. I feel like you could, you know, get lost in the imagery. I love it. The cards are really, they're thick, but they're not, you know, they're not paper thin. I feel like $12.99 is a steal as far as the cards quality go. They glide really nicely. Yeah. I love them. All right, let's see how they shuffle, huh? Ooh, they glide really nicely. Yeah, there's just something about black cats. I just love them. Let me know if you have a black cat. I love black cats. My dogs will not allow me to have another cat. All right, and let's try shuffling this way for you. Oh, yes, very nice. They don't feel flimsy. They don't feel like they're gonna bend. One more time. Oh my gosh, yes. So you'll be seeing a lot more of these in pick a card readings for the fall season. I'm super excited. I love these. I think these are fantastic. I think the imagery is great. I think they're pretty spot on with the cards' meanings. I just love and adore the fact that they are very Halloween themed. Shuffle great. They feel great. Let's take a quick look at the booklet. So it does give you information on the meanings of the cards, reading the cards. Oh, you get some spreads, your basic spreads, and then it goes into the cards' meanings. And it looks like, yeah, you get a lot of info for this little packet. So all in all, guys, $12.99? Yes, please. I'm super excited. I love having kind of themed decks because there's certain readings that it just makes it more fun to do when you have the visual. For example, if you're doing a lot of romance readings, a romantic style deck would be very beneficial because the themes are already in the pictures. So especially if you're reading for another person, it helps with that as well. So not that we're doing like, you know, specific Halloween readings all the time, but it gets you in the spirit, it gets you in the mood, and it definitely is fun without being terrifying. Because there's some pretty terrifying decks out there that I'm not quite into, but I understand if you are. I mean, everybody has their thing. So for $12.99, even if it retails for a little bit more expensive, I think it's great, especially if you love Halloween. All right, guys, that was a quick and easy review, and thank you so much. If you liked this, if you like the deck, leave it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I have a lot coming the next 2 months, a lot of various videos. It's not all tarot related. I've got some Halloween videos coming up and a lot more crafting and things like that. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to execute the filming. So if this all sounds something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you. And if you have not already clicked that notification bell, go ahead and do that as well, because as of right now, I don't have a set upload schedule, and this way you'll never miss a video when I do upload. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for having fun with me. And I will see you next time. Happy Halloween.